Hey guys, Technomentary with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to hard reset your iPhone 5C. Now, this is something you want to do if you're experiencing any sort of issues with your iPhone 5C. So let's show you how that's done. First thing is you're going to locate the top lock or the power button and the home button. We need to press and hold both of the buttons at the same time until the screen goes completely black. And once you see the Apple logo appear on the screen, you'll let go of both of the buttons. So let's go ahead and do it. So I'm going to hold the top and the home button at the same time, just like that. And as you can see here, it does take a moment or so, but the screen should go black any moment. Now it's black. And now we wait for the Apple logo to appear, and then we let go of both of the buttons. And basically what this is doing is shutting down the phone software and then reloading the code. So if it's a software related issue, which most likely is the case, it's going to fix your iPhone. This is also known as a forced restart, and you can do it as many times as you need to in order to fix any issues you're having with your iPhone 5C. And this is Apple's #1 recommended troubleshooting step. So thing is, if you don't get it the first time, keep on trying. You want to make sure you time it perfectly, where you hold the top button and the home button at the same time, like the way I did it. And once you do it, you'll get back to your iPhone just like that, and you should be able to get it to work without any issues. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please do consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.